Whoopee! Whoopee! Hey, lads and lassies. This is your pal, Patty. Come on over. Hey, we're gonna do lanterns for Christmas. Woohoo! Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Oh! Hey guys, thanks for coming by. We're gonna have fun. I have 6 lanterns to do. Now I'm not gonna drag you through 6 lanterns, but I have 6 to do. We'll do a couple to show you, and then I'll catch them all up and show you them all done. 3 black for the Nordic area, and 3 red for the Germany, Austria, Belgium, and Poland area, and the Baltics. Alrighty, let's go. I've got a tough choice here with some great ribbon. Now we've got the green I didn't use for the Bavarian tree. Then I've got, look at this. This is real tempting, matching ribbon that I did use in the Nordic tree. Then I have matching cocoa and brown that I used in the Bavarian tree, and I have the smaller traditional colored red, green, and cream and gold in the smaller ribbon. I know I'm going to use this with the smaller lanterns. Just got to make a decision here what I'm going to use. And when you think it's easy, look at this. Remember this one? This would work with either the Bavarian or the Nordic section. I'm going to get this open for our Scandinavian and Nordic first lantern, and it's a big one. We'll do the big one first. Some of you have seen me do a ribbon before, some haven't. Here's how I do my ribbon. I'm going to take the length that's not a bow, and I'm going to look at it like this. Then I'm going to estimate my bow size. If the 2 loops are together, this is half of that. Now how many bows do I want? I want 1, 2, 3. I think 3 is good. And then I want the other side of my hanging piece like this. Now that's where I'm going to cut. No measuring, you don't have to measure if you get used to doing it. Okay, now I need the middle. We're going to fold back and forth. Back and forth. Like this. Okay, then we're going to see that? All it is an accordion. Like this, if I let go. So you can see. Take that. Fold it in half. Your twist tie wire, get that on there and just get that together and crank it down as hard as you can. Now we need to look good in the middle. And we want to keep that wire and have a piece so that we can use it to tie it on our piece. We only need 1 that's long enough. Okay, this wants to show this way. You see it now, almost like a man's bow tie started already. Now to make this nice, we're going to pull this apart and open it up. That's all you got to do to make it look good. If one's inside out, turn it right side out. This is your basic bow tying. You girls and guys that know how to do it, or you have a different way, that's wonderful. This is really an easy way. Give it a chance. Get it pulled out, turned around. Now, you get that attached to the top, and you're going to have an easier time pulling that out like you want it. Okay, so here we are on the side, and now we can open all these loops, because you don't have to hang on to the ribbon. It's gonna really help you. You open all those, and look at, you have a cute bow now going on. The wire edge is gonna help hold it nice. Let's find our door. Here it is. Now I wanna take my end and grab it with my 2 fingers like this, and I wanna curl it. Just a little bit. 1, 2, 3 maybe. Get that started. 1, 2, 3. 3 turns and a pull, and just get a little interest here with that curl. See, let it hang down, shape it however you would like. Okay, now I've got my new electric candles. As you know, we're going to look at this from the front. We're going to put one in, and I don't want the 2 candles like this. Okay, I want them like this. One is a little taller, and it looks like one is, you know, melted away faster. So that's my idea. Here's a child's block or anything you got to use to do that, to get that look. Now we don't want to see the block, but it's okay. We're going to decorate in there a little bit. You know, we always want a little pine or something in there. Here's a little spray. Probably really do the job. Now I want this special, so I have something else to add on here. Since we have a black lantern, how about we add a red jingle bell? I'm going to get a hold of the other tie. Okay, so now it's more like one piece. We've twisted the 2 twist ties together. It's going to take 2 for you to make this pretty. Make it cute. Get one, I would say, under there. I like it off the corner like that. And we're still looking good inside. Here's the best part. I think I'm almost done. You remember our remote controls? All of them came on that are on the table, right? Oh my goodness. How are we doing? What else can we do? We can take this little mini berry bunch, and we're gonna get that in here too. This is even prettier. Okay, instead of picking that up by that handle, really, I'm gonna pick it up like this, so I know I'm not gonna mess it up. How about we do a big red one? Okay, same idea. 2 candles. I love that look. One high and one low. If you're worried about somebody bumping it, you don't want to worry about it, put some tape under it. You know, when we had little kids, that's what I would have to do here. And some. I want to just cover that stem on the pick. That's what I'll do a lot of times. And when I can't see it, I'm happy. Okay, now we want to make this one different, and it's red. I have an idea here to use both greens because of where this is going. I'm going to try to do these ribbons together. We'll match that length, which is honestly, I'll tell you in a minute, it is like 7 feet. Okay, so if you got 14-foot ribbon, you know you can make 2. Okay, what else can we do to make our lantern beautiful. And we just need a little touch up here on the top to make it look special. Let's go with a nice red berries and gold leaf pick. And we're going to hide our twist tie wire too at the same time with that. Now I put a couple more little greens and bits and berries in the bottom. How about some Jacob Marley keys from the Charles Dickens story. I'm still wanting just a little something. Holly here. I'm going to do one small one for you. Now, I love, look at the patina on this one. I love when they look old, or even if they really are a little old and showing their wear. This is cute. Now this one is going to get a tea light because it's that scale and it needs really very little inside there. Okay, now you know we're not going to stuff these full of stuff if we're going to use a real candle, right? It kind of goes without saying, but we want to make sure everybody realizes that we don't think we can fill that with pine and then put a real candle in there. We're not gonna. Okay, let's go 2, 3, 6, 9, maybe. Right about there. I'm already liking this cute little lantern because it's different. And that's why we're going to the smaller ribbon. Let's do a different bow for you now. I'm going to take that middle and I'm going to fold back and forth on both sides till I get the length I want on the drop piece, which is this. That's looking like it. Twist tie, we folded that. Those layers over. And then we're going to tie that square knot to hold the whole thing. That'll be the back. Now I want to get it on the lantern. That's the front, so I'm going to go off the side and I'm going to open this all up. That's half of it. And we'll do that to the other half. You're in charge now. Don't let it beat you. You bend them and move them loops where you want them, where you need to fill in and make that full. There we go. Okay, now we want a little add. Even a child's glove could be cute somehow with it. I'm liking the berries. I really just need, I'm liking this cluster of frosty grapes maybe, huh, for this one. And that'll just hook around that middle and be done. There we go. And we can even lift it and we'll get this all perfect, of course. And I'm gonna do 3 more. And then I'm going to take you and show you all 6 of the lanterns.
Come join in our song. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day.
Okay guys, so hey, I hope you liked our video today, and you know, we don't do anything around here with sixes. So we had 7 lanterns, 4 black and 3 red. We have our store on Etsy, and we have our store in Spring. The wonderful Christmassy mugs, t-shirts, and so on, and it helps us stay here. So we appreciate everybody. Thank you guys. Have fun, and we'll see you in the next amazing, off the chain, incredible decorator and Christmas video.